Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, April 24th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. We have Alex Packet number 2 and Air Prep number 2. The packet, hopefully a lot of you got that done last night, or a good chunk of it. And the Air Prep number 2 is 18 questions that is found in your Google Classroom. In science, there is no homework. Social studies, there is no homework as well, although you can be studying your Asia map for our quiz this upcoming Friday. In language arts, you need to go back and reread the play March for Freedom that is found in Google Classroom, and then take the quiz. Make sure that you're reading the article and using the article to answer the questions for your quiz. In literature, journal entry number 1, Out of the Dust, that is due tomorrow. We had at least 15-20 minutes in classes to work on that, so hopefully you're able to get that done either in class or during Warrior time. Also a reminder, all AR points are due May 17th, which is coming up 3 weeks from this Friday. That's it for this Wednesday. Make it a good one.